Wow, what an excellent day. Thank you today for joining the class. Today is actually the day 4 of our 7 days intensive class. Today is the day 4 of it. We've done day 1, we've done day 2, we've done day 3. Actually, today is day 4. And this recording of this video, we are going to actually discuss only part 1 of the class, what we have for today, which is the day 4 of this intensive class. So what we have for today in day 4 is what is wallet, how does wallet works, and also we are going to talk about security, wallet and security. These are the two things that we are going to discuss. So in this first part of the video, we are going to discuss all about wallet. Then in our second video, which is the part 2, we are going to talk about security in details. So I'm trying my best to cut the video so that the video can be shorter, so I can be able to watch it and benefit from it. So let's dive in. What is wallet? Wallet is actually where you can store your crypto. It's where you keep your crypto. Wallet is also where you can receive or send your crypto. It also keep track of your crypto transactions. That is what wallet is. So it's actually where you store your crypto. So anytime you hear that term wallet, what should come to your mind is where your crypto is being stored, where you can receive crypto, and where you can send crypto out. That is what we call wallet. We actually have 4 types of wallet, 4 different types of wallet that we have. Number one is software wallet. We have software wallet. What is software wallet? Software wallet is an application that you can download onto a device, phone or computer. An application that you can download into your device, either phone or computer. Let me give you an example of software wallet. We have wallets like Binance. We have wallets like Trust Wallet is a software wallet, and MetaMask wallet is also a software wallet. So these are software wallets. That is an application that you can download and store your crypto here. You can either download it on your phone or your computer, so whichever one. So these are software wallets. Then we also have a hardware wallet. Hardware wallet is a physical device that store your crypto. Physical device that you can actually store your private keys offline. It's also enhance the security of that your crypto asset. So those software wallets, those hardware wallets, is usually like this not memory card, adapter. Usually like an adapter. That is how the hardware wallet usually is. So you remove your crypto there from a software wallet, put the private keys of that your crypto in that your hardware wallet. So you can see that your hardware wallet, you put your crypto there, you keep it safe. So it's much more safer than software wallet, because it's only you that have access to that your crypto there. So it's much more safer. So people that actually use this hardware wallet are people that have big investment in crypto. Anytime you also want to move it, you can also move that your crypto in your hardware wallet, move it from your hardware wallet to your software wallet, where you can actually sell it in an exchange. So the number 3 wallet that we have is called web wallet. Web wallet. This web wallet are online wallet accessed through a website. Online wallet accessed through a website. That is your web wallet. Then the fourth type of wallets that we have is another one called paper wallet. Paper wallet. That is where you physically print off your private keys offline. You print out your private keys offline. You print it out. That's another form of type of wallet that we have. So I made mention of software wallet, which is online application, and an application that you can download, just like Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, and all the rest. That one is software wallet. Then we have another type of wallet, which is hardware wallet, where you can store your crypto using a physical device. Using a physical device. So that your physical device will only store your private keys offline. It will store your private keys on offline, and it's usually like an adapt so your hardware wallet usually like this. This is an example of hardware wallet. This is not a hardware wallet, but usually like this, where you can save your private keys. You put it here, something like this of this nature. That is how hardware wallet looks like. Then we have number 2, web wallet. We've discussed about web wallet. Number 3 about web wallet. Then we also have paper wallet. These are actually different types of wallets that we have. Then we also have 2 types of exchanges today. There's an exchange. Exchange is actually where you can transact your crypto, either sell or buy crypto. That is an exchange. It's just like a bank. So we have 2 types of exchanges today. One, we have centralized exchange, we have decentralized exchange. Centralized exchanges are exchanges just like Binance, MEX, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io. These are centralized exchanges. While we also have decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, like Uniswap, we have Radium.io and all the rest. These are all decentralized exchanges. And when it comes to centralized exchanges, you can only operate with their application. Inside that the application, they also have different types of wallets in centralized exchanges. For example, if you are using Binance Exchange, in Binance Exchange, you also have a wallet, centralized wallet there that you can store your cryptos. For example, we have funding wallet in Binance Exchange. We also have a future wallet where you can trade the leverage trading. We also have margin wallet. We also have your spot wallet. These are different types of wallets inside centralized exchange. While if you want to operate decentralized exchanges, you need some apps to operate decentralized exchanges. You need some wallets to operate decentralized exchanges. And some of those wallets that you need will require you of downloading Trust Wallet. Some people use Trust Wallet because it's user friendly. Some also choose to use MetaMask wallet because it's also user friendly. If you are buying coins on Solana chain, you can also use Phantom or also use Solflare wallets. These are user friendly wallets that you can use if you want to operate on decentralized exchange. And one thing with decentralized exchange is that decentralized exchange is more safer than centralized exchange. Let me give you an example. Some of us bought coins in Hotbit around 2020, 2021, but eventually Hotbit shut down. What happened when Hotbit shut down? They started giving people rules on how to withdraw their money. In fact, some people eventually lost their money in Hotbit. So this is a centralized exchange. But imagine if you bought those your coins on the centralized exchange. Even though Trust Wallet choose to shut down today, you use your 12 phrase, download another wallet, maybe like MetaMask wallet, put in that your 12 phrase there, your coins will just appear. That is it. That is the uniqueness of the centralized exchange. But if you are new to crypto, my encouragement is start using only centralized for now. When you familiarize with crypto, how crypto operates and all the rest, you can now start using, and when you have bigger capital, you can now start using decentralized exchange. And when you are using your decentralized exchange, it's important that you keep your 12 phrase or 24 phrase very intact. It's very, very important you write it. We'll talk more on that on security. So we've talked about wallet, what wallet is. I've also mentioned how many wallets we have, that we have up to 4 different wallets. We made mention that we have software wallets, we have hardware wallets, we have web wallet and paper wallets. These are different wallets that we have. Then we also made mention that some of the software wallets that we have today is a Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, and all the rest. Those are some of the software wallets today. I also give us example of hardware wallet, how it looks like. Usually looks like this. So we also have other web wallets where you can store your crypto, but the most safest one is hardware wallets. The second to it is using your software wallet, especially decentralized wallet or decentralized exchanges. That is the most safest one for you. Centralized exchanges, some of them are safe, like Binance is safe. It's very, very safe. I would recommend you to start using Binance. It's very, very safe for you to operate in Binance. Then there are other safe wallet, centralized exchanges and wallets too that you can use. But I recommend you to start operating with Binance first. That is my first recommendation. So those are some of the things that we have discussed today about crypto wallets and all the rest. So we made mention that we also have funding wallet. Funding wallet is actually where you can convert your naira to dollar or whichever currency that you use to dollar. That is USDT. That is funding wallet. That is the operation of funding wallet. Why future wallet is where you trade leverage trading. We also have a margin wallet where you also trade leverage trading. So that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you actually enjoy this information and you love what we are doing, you can do well to share the video. You can also do well to like the video and also comment. Tell us the things you want us to discuss in the next video. We will actually do it. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a fantastic day.